Good morning. Look at that beauty. Miller & Sons Classic Cars here. It's a nice enough day out. Whoa, we got a low tire. We're gonna have to go get that aired up. Nice enough day today to get out the Mustang, take it for a little drive. The rain has washed all the salt and stuff off the road. Let's do a cold start on it and see if we can get her to start. Should be a key in it. Woo! Start her right up. Got something going on out there. It's a little low on fuel. Kind of bumps coming out of the storage unit. You gotta go